We collaborated with some local artists and also with our Twitch creatives. It's really awesome to see all those talents come together to create the space.
The rope mural started from the ground up with the idea of a game room inspired by Tron, and innovations in Tron of being able to enter the grid, innovations of Twitch of being able to interact with the grid and be inside of it in a way too. To dye about 6,000 feet of line by hand, I needed a lot of materials. So over the course of about a couple of months, spent a lot of time in eucalyptus groves. Then I would just fill my house with eucalyptus and then just start making mordant in buckets. It was an interesting endeavor and definitely learned a lot.
One of the main pieces with this mural is a big flow shape. I really think it represents connection and energy, and it can really be fun to take it across a multi-dimensional wall. The opportunity to work with a neon light artist, Roxy, we're working together to have the mural designed and then have some neon lights coming through it. That is a first, and I'm just so excited for that.
So we have 7 interview conference rooms, and the murals are actually created by a Twitch partner. His name is Niku Senpai, and he created them based on all the topographies that we have spanning all the workstation floors.
In each and every one of these pieces, the thing that I wanted to incorporate was some kind of Twitch culture. The beach has the old Justin TV ruins. In the cave, there's like the squid emote. Twitchtopia, the city image, that one's full of emotes and icons.
For my mural, I was approached to create an anime cyberpunk piece that was both serious but fun and like exemplified the Twitch culture. When you look at it, it's like this big spanning city that has a lot of detail to it, but it's still very vivid and vibrant. Continued with this theme of showing off Twitch culture by featuring, the Twitch headquarters in the back. And even on like the girl's scooter, they have little stickers of like the Kappa emo and stuff. Just basically stuff that you look at and you're like, that's Twitch.
For this mural, I thought it'd be really kind of a nice gesture to kind of put the idea of like staring off into the stars with broadcasting and like connecting.
The creative world, unfortunately, isn't always merged with the tech and the innovation, and so bringing those two together and keeping the local community connected to these new local companies that are popping up, I think is really important.